everyone, Vicky from BioMonde here, and I'm just hopping on to answer another one of your questions. And this week that question is, how do the larvae actually work? What the larvae will do is they will secrete and excrete enzymes which liquefy the dead devitalized tissue in a wound, and then they effectively drink it back up again. The larvae also will use the two little black mandibles that they have to score the tissue, which helps those enzymes get really nice and deep into the tissue and liquefy it as quickly as possible. And finally, the larvae will move around the wound using the microscopically rough parts of their bodies to loosen any tissue that they can, and again liquefy it as quickly as possible. It's important to note that the larvae do not have teeth, so they cannot bite or chew. So I hope that answered that question for you. If you want to know any more information, don't forget to follow us on this platform and all our other social media platforms. And if you have a more specific question, you can ring us or email us as well. See you all next week.